Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Becoming the Ultimate TikTok Girl. Today we're making these really famous TikTok rings again, but this time they're with beads and they're melted. I'm taking these beads, they're the pyssla ones. I can link them in the description if you want. I'm taking these coral beads and these light green ones. I'll be alternating them to make the ring. Enjoy this really cool scene of me placing the beads. I found it easier to use an iron because it's easier to place the beads and then iron them rather than having to open the curling iron. Place some parchment paper on top so you don't burn anything. Melt them a little bit and then turn around and melt the other side too. Just be careful when you place the parchment paper. After you're done with it, take a round object and wrap it around so when it cools down it has the shape of it. Then place the two ends together and melt it in the iron so they can stick together and you're done. For this one, I started placing the red beads and then faded into a more pastel yellow color. From now on, all you have to do is repeat the same process, like iron it and then wrap it around, close the ends, and that's it basically. I've done some more colors just to show you how it looks. For this one especially, I've chosen this light green one, pastel green, because it's such a huge trend this spring 2021. I've seen this everywhere, all over Pinterest, TikTok, Instagram. I mean, everyone wears this, and of course we should make one ring. Saved this one for last because it's a rainbow, and I mean, it's a rainbow, it says it all. Everyone loves rainbows, it goes with everything. I just had to do it, okay? The last thing I wanted to point out is be careful when you're doing this step, don't burn yourself. It's so hot. I've burned my fingers so many times. I don't know. That's it for our video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.